Beauty pros, do you think you can just do a house call? Well, think again before you do. Don't get caught slipping because there are rules, especially in California. California State Board of Cosmetology, they're not playing around. This is a special license that you'll need to do house calls. I'm Dion Phillips, the founder and owner of D'Lashes Wellness Spa right here in Beverly Hills, and I'm going to inform you what you need to do house calls here in California as a beauty pro. Since October 1st, 2021, California requires something called a Personal Service Permit, PSP. If you want to do any beauty services outside of your licensed salon or spa, that means hotels, homes, or even a house call. No PSP, you're risking fines and citations from State Board. So what exactly is PSP? What exactly is a PSP? It's an add-on license from California State Board of Barbering and Cosmetology. Think of it as the golden ticket to legally offer services outside of the spa. Without it, you cannot perform beauty services in someone's home or at their hotel or at a wedding suite. And let's be real, most stylists, clients, and estheticians don't even know about this exist. Here's what you need to qualify. A valid California license, esthetician or cosmetology license, barber or manicurist. You have to live scan fingerprint for DOJ background check. You can find live scan locations by searching California DOJ live scan locations or going to the California DOJ website. They list approved places by zip code. You'll also need proof of $1 million liability insurance. Yes, $1 million. And pay a $25 application fee to apply for all this. And every time you do a house call, you must give a client a consumer notice form and keep their signed copy on file for 5 years. Yes, 5 years. Put this in your form when they book an appointment. This permit doesn't cover everything. For estheticians, it means facials, makeup, strip lashes, tweezing, basic services like that. But no chemical pills, no machines, no advanced treatments in someone's living room. Keep it simple and compliant. Just keep it simple. If you're caught without a PSP, you could get fined really big. And trust me, the fines aren't cute. Plus, you're risking your license and your reputation. That's why at D'Lashes, I've had a PSP since the law started. Every celebrity house call, every bridal glam, every vacay, ready, lash, set. We stayed compliant. So beauty pros, protect yourself, protect your license, and protect your clients. Get your PSP before you step outside of the salon. And if you're not in California, check your state board. Don't get caught slipping. Stay compliant, stay professional, and keep serving the glam and the lashes the right way, the legal way.